Hello children, good morning. We already studied in grammar chapter first nouns. Now we are going to start our chapter 2 singular and plural nouns. Do you know in our everyday life we using one thing, talk about one person, it's called singular. Singular nouns refer to one person, idea or thing. Example, Ajit bought a gift for his mother. Here mention a gift. So they talk about only for one gift. It means it's singular. Plural nouns refer to more than one person, idea or thing. Ajit bought many gifts for his sister. They talk about more than one. So it's called plural. There are several ways to form plural forms singular nouns. One thing, keeping it in your mind, singular means talk about one thing and plural means talk about many, more than one. Understand बच्चे? Here some forms are given, plurals of singular nouns. We add s to make some nouns plural. Chair, chairs. We add only s and it becoming plural. Picture, pictures. Second rule, if a noun ends in s, double s, x, sh, ch, we add es to form plural. What thing you have to remember? Spelling end with s, double s, x, sh, ch, we add es. Then it's becoming plural. See, bus end with s. So we use es, buses, buses. Next, loss, loss, end with double s. So we put es, losses. Box, end with x, box. So we make a plural, add es, box, boxes. Wish, end with sh, wishes. Church, church, end with ch. We put es to make plural. So बच्चे, keep it in mind, a noun ends in s, double s, x, sh or ch. We add es to form the plural. Third rule, if a noun ends in y and there is a consonant before the y, we drop the y and add ies. You already studied in first standard vowel, consonant. A, E, I, O, U. It's called vowel. And remain these alphabets called consonant. So here they given rule, end with y. So we y convert in I and add es. baby, then babies, lady, then ladies. We convert Y into I and add ES, then make a plural. Third rule we already understand. First we add S, then make plural. Second, noun ends with S, double S, X, SH or CH. We put ES, then make plural. Third one, Y, convert into I and add ES, then make plural. Now fourth rule. If a noun ends in Y and there is a vowel before the Y, only add ash. Boy, BOY. Y के आगे क्या है? Y before O. O is a vowel. First onwards I explain no. AEIOU. It's called vowel. So, Y के आगे क्या है? O. So we put only S. Boy, boys. Toy, toys. Understand बच्चे? Now next. From most nouns that end in F or FE, we drop the F or FE and add VES. Noun end with F or FE. Both remove and convert into VES. Look, knife. We using no chaku, knife. We convert knives. KNIVES. Leaf. We see no around us. Many trees, many plants are there. So leaf means pandu, pan. Leaves. F को रिमूव करके क्या ऐड करेंगे? VES. Leaf, leaves. Knife, knives. Next rule. To most nouns in O, we add ES. Mango. Now season going on no? Eating no बच्चे? Enjoy. Mango, mangoes. Tomato, tomatoes. End with O, mango. MANGO. So we put to make plural ES. Mango, mangoes. Tomato, tomatoes. Next rule. Some nouns remain unchanged in the plural. Look here, ship, ship. In singular also we called ship. In plural also we called ship only. Keep as it is. No change. Fish, fish. Deer, deer. Aircraft, aircraft. No change in plural form. Same as singular. You have to learn this. Next rule. Some nouns change in an irregular manner. This also you learn by heart. Ox, auction. Foot, feet. Teeth, tooth. Understand no? There are some nouns that are always plural. Scissors, trousers, cloths. We don't use in singular scissor. No, we speak scissors only, trousers only, cloths only. Last rule. Sometimes the plural is formed by adding S to the main word in a compound word. Sons-in-law. Son is a compound word. Sister-in-law, sisters-in-law. Don't put only add compound word. Okay, understand these rules? How many rules we studied to make a plural? 10 rules. First, for simply we add s. Second one, noun end with s, double s, x, sh, ch, we add es. Third rule, when noun end with y and there is a consonant before the y, so we y convert into I and add es. Next, for y and there is a before boy, so we add no only s, boys, toys. Next rule, f or fe, noun end with f or fe, we drop it and convert into ves. Knife, knives. Leaf, leaves. Next, most noun end with o, simply add es. Mango, mangoes. Tomato, tomatoes. Some nouns remain unchanged in the plural as it is. Sheep, sheep, deer, deer, fish, fish, aircraft, aircraft. Some nouns change in an irregular manner. So this we have to learn by heart. Ox, oxen. Foot, feet. Tooth, teeth. Tooth is a singular one. Teeth means full our teeth. There are some nouns that are always plural. Scissors, trousers, clothes. And last, I repeat again, plural is formed by adding s to the main word in a compound word. Compound means 2-3 words together we make. Son-in-law, daughter-in-law, sister-in-law. Son-in-law, when we make it plural, only sons-in-law, sisters-in-law, daughters-in-law. बच्चे, first you enter in your notebook, put heading, singular and plural, heading, then definition, singular and plural with example. This rule also you have to mention. Okay? Now keep in mind, आपको याद रखना है. When we change the singular nouns in a sentence into their plural forms, we often need to make some other changes in the sentence. A one cup, many cups, this cup, these cups. THIS, this we use for singular. When we use this for plural, so change its spelling. THESE, these cups, that cup, those cups. The cup is red, the cups are red, is convert into are. To be verb form, am is are, is का plural are, was का were. We understand in that forward chapters tenses. Then I explain very well. Was, were, has, have. His, her, its plural their. He, she, its plural they. Third person singular. He, she, its plural they. Okay? So keep in mind. Now we go as per exercise A. A ox is a ploughing the field. Ploughing the field. Here printed red words ox. We convert into plural. Make other necessary changes and rewrite the sentences. You have to write, repeat, change and rewrite that. Oxen are ploughing the field. Second, that knife is blunt. Those, that का क्या करेंगे? Those, plural. Knives, जो, see here. Noun, knife, end with fe. So we remove, drop fe and ves. Those knives are blunt. The child took part in the debate. The children took part in the debate. Past tense, simple past tense, took. So no change in the verb. A rabbit has long ears. Here mention only singular, a rabbit. We have to convert into plural. So rabbits, don't put a or n when we write in plural form. So capital here R, because sentence start with rabbits have long ears. The policeman, man means singular, man is a plural. So policemen, when you write in plural form, change this spelling, POLICEMEN. The policemen were, वो उसका क्या कर देंगे? were running after the thief. I don't remember where your photograph is. So red printed word we plural. So rewrite that. I don't remember where your photographs are. इसका क्या कर देंगे? are. Now we go B. Change the nouns in red into their singular forms. Make other necessary changes and rewrite the sentences. The sons-in-law held a meeting with their fathers. So here sons-in-law. In rules, 10th rule, we already know son-in-law. So we plural into singular. The son-in-law held a meeting with his father. With his father. Second, the mares gave birth to many foals. Red printed mares. We convert into singular. The mare gave birth a foal. Third one, you must change your toothbrushes every month. You must change your toothbrush every month. The ponies were tired after the journey uphill. The pony, P-O-N-Y. Do you know na ponies means? Horse ke young ones. The pony was tired after the journey uphill. Next, here given the women. Women means both many ladies. So here we convert into singular. The woman wore traditional dress. Dresses का क्या कर देंगे? Dress. For the school function. Sixth one, last one. The dwarves were friendly creatures. So we convert dwarves into dwarf. The dwarf was friendly creature. So बच्चे, we finished that much in that video. We will see next topic, countable and uncountable noun, in next video. So okay बच्चे, finish these exercises with singular noun and plural definition. These rules 10 already mentioned in green table. You have to write down in your fair book. I hope you finish chapter 1 fully from this PDF. Okay बच्चे, take care, stay home, stay safe. All the best. Bye बच्चे.